Hi there, this is Andy Robertson, and today I'm going to talk to you about articles in grammar. This is one of the top 5 most common mistakes that we see in the speaking and writing test. What is an article? Well, the articles are the, a, and an. We call them the is a definite article, and a and an are indefinite articles that go before nouns. Basically, the rule is this. For a or an, we place this article in front of a singular noun or a noun that has been introduced the first time, that is singular. The can also be used for singular nouns or plural nouns, but it normally refers to something already mentioned or previously defined. For example, earlier today I ate an apple. An apple, because apple begins with a vowel. Earlier today I ate an apple. The apple was very delicious. Notice how I used the second time because I already defined what the apple was the first time I mentioned it. A second thing, guys, is to talk about when no article is required. Very, very common mistake. In English, when we talk about something general, there's no article and we use the plural noun. For example, students in Vietnam often ride motorbikes. Students, motorbikes. No article, because we are talking about many students, many motorbikes. It requires no article at all. We only use the if we are referring to a specific group of students or a specific group of motorbikes. For example, the students I saw this morning in my class all ride motorbikes, a specific group of students. So remember, use a or an for something undefined or singular nouns. Use the for single and plural nouns which have already been introduced or already defined. And for plural nouns, generally we don't use an article at all when we are referring to something in general. Thanks very much. That's all for now. Follow us to personalize your journey with IELTS experts. Thank you.